Another video, Monday, December 15th, 2014. The new Highway 95 road down below, Union Pacific siding. Past it, which ends at the entrance to Sunnyside Marina, where there's the condos down there, and boat marina, and then you see, hopefully you can see in the video, pilings for the new St. Croix bridge sticking up. I don't know if you can hear that sound. Anyway, on the Wisconsin bluff, there's a machine over there driving pilings into the Wisconsin Side River bluff for the bridge. There's cranes everywhere, and more forms for the bridge on-ramps and off-ramps. The distant past is the smokestack for the Allen S. King power plant. That smokestack is 785 feet tall. Just 3-4 years ago, they spent about $750 million adding scrubbers to that plant to